Hello everyone, welcome to Sources Classes. So in this video again we'll be continuing our discussion with respect to the VSA section of the paper. So in this video what initially we'll do, let's talk about the VS section in general. The section as we've seen this year, we haven't seen any significant changes as far as the pattern of the examination is concerned. The question remain more or less of the similar sort that we have seen throughout the years, so no significant changes were observed. Having said that, one thing cannot be denied that this year the questions were more or less on a more difficult level. That is, they required a greater sense of understanding of the subject matter. Okay, just to solve them. So with that said, we'll discuss questions pertaining to the spelling errors, but we'll take these questions as far as with respect to vocab building. Okay, so that concern, make sure you keep a note of all these words so that we can actually get a good value addition as far as the what to say your vocabulary, your day-to-day usage for the concept, so that whenever these words are being asked in the vocab, be it your synonyms, antonyms, or any other kind of word meaning say, so you're easily able to solve them. So let's start off with the question. In the following question, 4 words are given, out of which only one is correctly spelled. Find the correctly spelled word. Okay, so let's start off with 46. Okay, if we look at option A, mandatory, the spelling is wrong. It should be mandatory, and mandatory actually means required by law or basically compulsory. Okay, that is required by law or mandate. Okay, compulsory, its meaning, keep a note of that. Next we have circulatory. So if we talk about circulatory, by the word only, it's actually is quite evident that this means going in a circle. Okay, so if we talk about the spelling of the same, spelling being circulatory. Okay, circulatory. So this is regarding circulation. So it can be blood or sap or anything that sort. Okay, so that system. So circulatory, circulation system is basically circulatory. So wrong, wrong. Temporary. Let's see about temporary. Temporary. So this spelling is correct. Temporary simply means not permanent. Okay. So this is the correct spelling of the same that has been used. So temporary will be the right one. And if we talk about the fourth option, that is regulatory, the correct spelling will be T-O-R-Y. Okay. Again, it's wrong spell. What it means, basically to regulate something, or serving or intended to regulate something. Okay, regulate something. Okay, so I hope all these four words are clear to you. Now having said that, what we'll be doing is moving to question number 47 now. So let's see. Yeah, so start off with first one. It's assiduous. The right spelling of the same is ASSIDUOUS. So what it actually means is showing great care and perseverance. Care and perseverance. Okay. Basically, greatly caring. Okay. A lot of care has to be taken up. So that's what we mean by assiduous. Okay. Next up, we have nefarious. Okay. So if we take a look at the spelling, Nefarious. So the spelling here is right. So nefarious. What it means is wicked or criminal. Okay. So nefarious criminal means wicked criminal. So something on those lines. Okay. So this is basically a very negative term. So that's that. Let's move to number C. Macabre. So it actually spells like MACABRE. Okay. This actually means disturbing something, a very disturbing situation because of fear of death. So disturbing due to, say, fear of death. Okay, wrong again. And last is loquacious. So loquacious. So if we take a look at the spelling of the same, as Luacious. It means one who is talkative, okay, or likes to talk to a great deal. So that's what it means. So we are done with all the words. So here option B is correct and C. But keep a note of all these 8 words, because this will be a great value addition as far as your vocabulary is concerned. Okay, make sure you note all these 8 words down, and you can actually use this on your day-to-day vocab conversation as well. This will be very good for you. Having said that, in case you're looking to get a detailed solution on the entire paper itself, feel free to connect with us. For that, you can go through the description section of the video, where you'll find a bunch of details like our website URL, our email ID, our numbers for call, text and WhatsApp. Feel free to connect with us if you have any doubt with regards to your exam preparation, or are looking for your online, offline courses or study materials. We'll be more than happy to provide you with the same as well. So feel free to connect with us in all those medium necessary in case you need any kind of guidance or such. Okay. So having said all of that, in case you like the video, make sure you like, share and subscribe to the channel, so that we can keep coming up with relevant content such as this further down the line as well. We will continue a discussion of the similar sort of questions in the subsequent videos as well, where we try and cover more topics. So right now I'll be signing out of the video. Thank you so much.